So in today's video, we will be discussing on why you should start including AI in your SaaS application. What I personally feel like this trend of AI that we have seen recently is going to grow more. Not going to be like something like Bitcoin or blockchain, which happened in 2022. But if we see at the other side, where in 2023 we are introduced to ChatGPT, so brilliant that most of the coders and not only coding but anything like even students or if you want to go and have a task to do or want to get any information from it, it's very very good. Also, Microsoft has been spending a lot of money on that. It's been investing on the chat gpt, and in couple of days we will be also get introduced to something from Google side. I think it will be Sparrow or something. So I feel like we should start spending time and we should start including chat. I mean, not chat GPT, but yeah, to chat GPT offers a lot of AIs, APIs if for you. So we can include couple of them. Now, here's the thing. I know AI and ML part could be a little bit difficult and tricky in order to include in any SaaS application. So I made this blog where I've added couple of points and open source or free to use resources which will help you to include machine learning and artificial intelligence in your application. Now, I've been explaining about teachable machine learning. If you have a look into this, it is from Google site, and the best part I like about teachable machine learning is that you can actually train a model for image detection, for sound detection, or even for a posture. Now you can actually get the code inside your your favorite language Python, or if you also want, you can also get inside Node.js or something else. Lot of people and lot of companies are using such kind of models in order to get the things done. So what I personally feel is that we should also make the use of certain kind of libraries or model, which will be really helpful for our application. So you can just directly go to get started. Yeah, it will. I think it will ask you to. I don't know. It didn't ask me to sign in, but once you want to, add to your drive and all, it will ask you to your Google account. So you can start with image processing, audio, or poster detection. Now these are the three which it includes for now. I hope in the future they will add more to it. Now let us go with our second option. We have dialog flow. Now one of the major field which artificial intelligence and machine learning is going to impact is on the customer care service. And Microsoft has recently given a statement that that's customer care service is 84%. It will be taken by AI, and that is the reason why we should also start investing or creating solutions for enterprise and business out there, something which they can directly integrate or an extension or a tool powered by AI for their application. Moving on, we have TensorFlow. Now, TensorFlow is more like if you know coding and you want to develop application from scratch. You have pre-trained models, and if you want to get the data, now here's the thing: data is the important thing. And what I usually do is like I go to a place called as Kaggle. Kaggle is kind of a data set, you can say, for machine learning and AI, and you can get a couple of data sets from here. Now, I personally use Kaggle a lot. You guys can also explore solutions on that part. Other than this, if you want, you can also go and check out OpenAI, and there are a couple of I think their site is down. Oh, okay, okay. Their site is down for some reason. This is very weird right now, but never happened. I think they are into some maintenance or something, but I think they will be, they will be back in couple of hours, we can suppose. But my statement was we can use, OpenAI's APIs, and the interface, the code they are offering in order to create our own solutions. Now, you can go and read more on my blog. I have written all the things about here. And there are other steps also, like include yes, yeah, you can see like how you can get pre-trained models and data sets. Also, if you want to get a B2B data, I have also mentioned a couple of good links inside my blogs, and you can feel free to check it out. Links will be in the description. I hope you like the video.